to Teddy Bear Museum. And for all those Ghibli fanatics, they also have Ghibli exhibition. So are you ready? Let's go!
Actually, this is not my first time to be at Teddy Bear Museum because they do have a similar one in Shizuoka Prefecture, which I have visited a few years ago. But that time, I did not really appreciate the exhibition. It's just because I did not make any research. I just went there, took pictures, and had tea in the nearby cafe. So it did not really mark. But this time I think the difference is that I went with a friend who is very interested with the exhibition. She was so happy. So I think my curiosity was triggered. So since I wanted to share with you this experience, I made some research over the internet on how teddy bear stuffed toy started. This place has so many cute things to see, especially like for example the outside garden. They have a very like tiny minute details like this. It's very like simple things, but they are so cute. They are just stick on the ground, but yeah, something to search. If you look around, you will find small um, objects that are very interesting. So here we are with our entrance fee. The entrance fee for adult is 1,500 yen. And when you enter, you will see this huge teddy bear. When I search on the internet about the origin of the name teddy bear, I found many stories, but the one that I found very interesting is that I didn't know that the name teddy bear came from Theodore Roosevelt in 1902. Just imagine. In America, it's like hunting is kind of sports, but Theodore Roosevelt, he was hunting with his colleagues, and he refused to shoot a bear, and parang it's a big deal that time na he na there was an article about it na nag-spread, and merong this couple na when they read the news, parang it gave them idea na wait, bakit hindi tayo parang to lighten the situation, gumawa sila ng stuffed toy, and they named it Teddy. And humingi sila ng permission to use the name, and it was approved. So, nagmanufacture sila ng stuffed toy, and they named it Teddy's Bear, actually. So very interesting. I didn't know na this started so long ago, and it's a big name attached to it. On the second floor of the building is the Ghibli exhibition. Isn't it so cute? Actually, I am not very particular about Ghibli, especially their characters, the characters. I think I saw some of the movie. Some actually, maybe one or two, very limited. And I don't really remember, hindi ko rin remember yung mga character. What I knew is Japan, and there are many places here na parang inspiration, like places used in the movie na even now exist and you can visit them. For example, like some of the hotels, you can stay there and then feel the movie. Kung napapansin nyo, like many voices in the background are children kasi this facility, more than 50% of the customers are families. The exhibition is like, as I said, the facility is not so big, but the exhibitions are they are simply cute. And they are not just an exhibition kasi they use technology as well. For example, if you can see it's dark, and at a second you will see it's lit. And if you really pay attention to details, you will notice some objects that move or change. This creature, I'm sorry, but I don't know the name. I don't know the character, but the exhibition itself is very cute because when you touch it, it's like you will feel na it's really like yung smoothness niya, para siya talagang real. And it's huge actually. You can go in and take a picture. Yun nga lang, you have to since the space is, see, I'm there, hi! Sorry, because you have to fall in line to
Say hi. Say hi.
Look at us, we look like kids. And you know what? You have to fall in line to get in, and normally those in line are children. Funny, isn't it? Look at her. She looks so happy. And you know what? Even inside, there are so many minute details na you cannot miss. are in the souvenir shop. Actually, here you can make your own teddy bear. The ordinary size, the ordinary one is about 5,000 yen. It's quite pricey, but I think it's a good experience. And if you want to buy, why not, buy your own handmade one. There are so many Totoro items. And this is the restaurant. It's a cafe on the first floor, and even the glass, it has teddy bear seal.
Now we are having tea. They're so cute. Yes. They're so cute, like bears. Yeah, this place is a good place to go if you just want to relax. The facility is not big, but they do have so many things to
Show interesting things. Like what we have here.
Yes, we
We have Fuskuma.
And you know what? You can make your own bear
Yeah, this is actually expensive.
for 4,400 yen.
This one is bigger, so it's actually expensive. This kind of one. Maybe ichiman. Ichiman yen.
It was fun.
So it's so nice to have fun here with Fuskuma. I love Fuskuma.
Bye.
I love Totoro.
Mata ne.
I love Gigi.
So guys, thank you so much for joining us. I hope to see you again in our next video. Bye. Mata ne.